Hello everybody, welcome back. This morning I'm at Wicken Fen. The sun is shining. Just going to go for a little wander and see what's about. So I'll catch you again soon. I'm going to take it a little gingerly. It's a bit icy and slippy mud. So I've come into one of the hides. It's a really small hide, but it's very close to the water, especially because the water's really high at the moment. So there's lots of things on the water. I've just seen a lovely little grebe. I'll just sit here for a little while. I do like little grebes. They're quite fascinating to watch and so hard to catch, because they do suddenly dive. There you go. Squeaky gate of a great tip. Look at that sky. This is a marsh area that's causing all this. It's just flown over and everything's gone up off the lake. Obviously, I'd moved away from the hide by then. I then spotted a couple of peregrine falcons. They were really high up, but I think I have managed to catch a couple of shots of them. I was really pleased to see a little owl back on its woodpile. These have been on this woodpile or a woodpile nearby for quite a long time. They're quite well known around the reserve, so it was good to see them back. Apologies, I only had a monopod and the wind had really got up here, so it was quite difficult to keep it steady. There's lots of field fares around, I can hear them, they just like chatter, 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 chatter. So I've been round the reserve and done battle with the mud, and I'm on my way back to the visitor centre area. I might wander down the boardwalk if it's open. Sometimes if it's frozen they don't open it, but might wander down to the hide there and see if the kingfisher's there. But it's been a lovely walk. It's cold, it's bright, sun's shining. Yeah, lots of mud, but you know, you get to the point where you just can't avoid it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.